May I make you taste the crab now?
Oh my god.
Hey, what's up? What's up? Actually in St. Thomas, we just came to look at what's going on at the beach. We were driving by in Yallahs right now, and we just say let us just take a walk down to the beach in Yallahs.
What's good there? Oh, what kind of something that again?
Duck.
Duck? A duck?
Duck.
I like to look at the duck. Small and coming away. Yeah, see them
What's up? What's up? Yeah, so we are here, Yallahs, St. Thomas. Yeah, man, I drive through the town, so we just take a detour to see how the beach down here is like, you know. The other side here, like a black sand beach. Black sand beach, you know, a tourist here, like little fishing villages. So like most of the persons in the area, this is where them come get them fish. You have a couple of beaches along this stretch. Yeah. Yeah. Evening.
Evening.
Wow. Cover. Right, what kind of crab them here? Soldier crab them here? What do you call them?
Soldier crab.
King crab them.
King crab. Yeah. Oh.
If you put them, them just are roasted.
It's a roasted.
That's the start, man.
What is that? This man. Put them for one.
Yeah. And they lick this down there, so this one do most of the time? All the time. Okay. Yeah. So the guy them up there, so no, me I say like, you know, always roast the fish and stuff and open flame in that area right there, so.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Oh, that boat here. Oh, but like, you don't really get that much custom and thing, you know, just doing the thing, still roasting the fish and. Huh? I don't hear you.
No fish we sell.
No fish we sell. No fish not out there either.
Fish they are deep, man.
Oh. Okay. Oh. Man.
The boy.
So you know when it cook, or you know when it cook, it start turn red, right?
You want to go in the boat? Yes,
You put them start drop off?
Oh.
Oh.
Yes, Molly.
Wow.
So when you catch the crab them all the time? Or just sometime when you get crab?
At first I see them crab here. In the sea them crab here come from. Never see them crab here yet. The closest thing I ever see are like snow crab. It won't look like snow crab.
I would be interested.
On the set pot here, and on net fishing.
No man, I don't net fish them. Hot fish.
Oh, okay. Oh, so like them buck here, them they are shallow. No, the floor of the sea.
Deep.
Okay.
And then I'll
Wow. Yeah, man.
Them weird when them buck, they look very weird. That's why the name buck.
But them may come from out of Jamaican.
Jamaican.
Yeah, Jamaican straight.
That are near out Prospect.
No, man, right out there, so the pamphlet, after you pass pamphlet.
I mean, say you know St. Thomas entrance.
No really, no all that. Me know some place. Me know some place at St. Thomas. Me don't live at St. Thomas though.
Before you reach Prospect, far from.
Okay.
Nearer to here, so I'm for prospect.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, because you just pop out the foot them. They just use the foot alone and it's way back out the part. You have the two little part inside.
A pear meat.
Take out that and you use the meat.
Pear meat. So this is a woman crab. This is a woman one. Two of them are woman.
You know one that it look here, same, you know what you crab? See right there, so where they put them dry now?
You want a lot of meat?
Only for meat.
A pea muscle right there, so.
This one now you just dash it that. You don't need it. You just throw the receipt.
Yeah, cause the back is a pea. I do and so up in the back, here, so.
As the intestine and something in it now, but you have one little part that separate with the meat. And the part that you want broke out, you throw the rest. Is a turbit and that ready?
I'm my liver.
What kind of fish is in your general?
Turbit.
Turbit.
Skin turbit.
It's the skin. Oh, you have to skin it. You have to skin it for roast it.
Yeah, the skin if you eat it.
Huh?
Very fresh, you know.
Yeah. Wow. So what the best way to prepare the fish here?
Fried.
Fried.
Yeah, you can steam him to coat that run down curry.
Then? Yeah. So I'm more turbid than me too.
Yeah.
And this a octopus.
Yeah.
Lift you up, let me see it. So how to prepare this the octopus?
Just call them off and cut them up. And then you do whatever you want.
Oh, Sky, if you have curry it or your coconut or...
Anything.
Okay. Yeah, it's an octopus then.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man. So them a pan.
Yeah, you want to come back?
And a pan no do them
Come
too.
here one morning and get fish. Oh, just a pass now and stuff.
So when you come back again?
A buck. I want roast buck. So I pop off the shell. First time I try this.
It's a shellfish.
Yeah, it have shell, yeah.
It don't have scale, it have shell.
Got.
Just take your time, man.
Here we go. Ooh, smoke. What are the smoke?
Wow.
It's good, you know?
It's just
Nice.
a different texture.
You want to try it?
Oh, the belly there?
Yeah. Still there.
Alright. Buck.
No, baby, no.
What is it like? Texture is different. What it tastes?
Yes.
Tastes like meat. But
No,
it's
good. Thanks, baby.
You want more?
Yay!
You want more?
Good man, good.
Oh, good man. Thanks, darling. It tastes good. Like
It tastes good, man.
It's a different taste. It's a
Yeah.
different
And it's
texture.
typical fish that we use to.
Because I guess I know no butter in it and no salt and them things they just.
But what them say them
do
do is put a little bit of salt water on it. If you notice him dip
Yeah.
it in a bucket, it's salt water. So
And the gentleman that's what was saying the same.
yeah, so them eat it.
You know, so when they move with the shell, the inside coming just like a fish, a regular fish car.
It is a, but it is a fish.
See the main.
Oh, you mean the texture?
The texture different.
It's softer?
No, it's thicker.
See the
It more
middle bone and
like
the-
meat instead of fish. What
So you
baby
think-
should want play with?
So you think about it?
You don't really eat like fish. It more likely. It tastes more to me like it have a different texture than fish. Because fish would have been more soft. But
Yeah.
But it's harder, yeah. It don't eat like
Yeah.
with the crab.
Yeah, I tell me to look.
Yeah, because you did ask about it.
Oh, yeah, no, mom. Mom, no, oh, it's cook. Oh, you know, oh, water, run out time. No, man, I mean, dip it in nice
You just dip it in the water.
Oh, okay.
You put all the salt water. Oh.
Move it up.
Just put it on. Wow, that's supposed to enjoy yourself down there. Come on, and just catch fish and just have a party.
No fisherman there, say no?
Eh?
Believe it, no fisherman there.
One fish out,
One fisher, what should it?
See how they gone over there?
Cigar look.
No fisherman. Yeah.
Aren't you, sir? Almond leaf. This is good. Okay?
Yeah, me love the flavor of the meat, man. So like them crab, I like what eat. Them all, that's them all are.
No man, I just saw them. I just saw them.
Seaside plate.
I just saw them structure. You can't pass the
Seaside plate.
seaside plate.
Ah man, worth it, man.
Alright.
So we'll be all in the police station, you know,
King crab. Yardman style.
Zoom in for the meat, zoom in for the meat.
Full of flavor, trust me. Full of flavor. How was it? What do you think? What do you think about it?
It's good.
Yeah man, a good vibe, you know?
You know what amused me about this?
Yeah.
I'm find very amusing. The fact that after them prepare it, them dip it back in the salt water to the flavor.
Yeah.
Who would have think of that?
Yeah.
And they were after that.
Oh, so she a mash up the back here now. Oh,
She breathe
oh
out.
egg in there. Yeah, see have egg, where hearted. The egg them there, the orange are the egg. Yeah. So those are the eggs, you know, nice, you know.
Them are the eggs.
Yeah.
Oh, you eat them?
Yeah, them are the,
Yeah, man,
them are the
them
crab
nice, man.
children's them.
Yeah. Crab children.
Night the whole light. Wow, taste it. Why not, no man?
Millions of crab here.
The crab not like how you eat the crab children, you know.
Why you get shaggy now? Eh? Mm.
So why we do?
They want to get the glow.
I want to be a friend and family.
Alright, just sing us now.
Yeah, open up this out, yeah.
I'm going to know.
Alright, yeah man. Alright, cool, yeah. King crab, nice flavor crab man. No man, I just feed them. No, we don't need any. I just watch what you do. Good man. Yeah.
You want to catch out one day and feed you, see?
Yeah.
Hey, come here in front of here.
Yeah, man, respect.
Bye, baby.
Yeah, so
We have a few
as I
more
say,
hours.
we just a pass. Yallahs St. Thomas, and we just feel like stop and come down at the beach side, and we just buck up them nice with the people here, you know. Yeah. Right at Yallahs. Basically right at the square. Funny, right after you pass the gas station there. Yeah, just turn right and come in. You know? A nice place out here, fishing village. Fisherman them boat and thing.
Hi to the bag.
Yeah, alright. Yeah.
Enjoy yourself right after.
Yeah.
You know? Definitely. You want fish?
So you're going to your roast fish though.
With your seaside plates.
If it tastes bad, you know, I'll do it in that season.
Yeah, in a season, but it tastes good. Yeah, man. But separate from that, I
It
mean.
have a, you know,
Yeah.
can eat.
Yeah. Nice, man. Can you say him keep the gut?
And you
So you can
realize
add a
that
flavor
if
to
you
it.
fry the fish
Yeah.
without salt and something, it wouldn't taste so good.
Nah, nah, true, man.
Yeah. But the sea,
Nice, man.
sea
Because it
water.
roasts.
Nice,
And
man.
because it roasts too.
Mm-hmm.
Want to taste?
Yeah. Oh.
You look hungry, man? So want to eat no patter?
I mean.
Look one here named lionfish.
Oh,
yeah,
no,
but I
that
want
one
to
now.
see lionfish. And that me want to see, a lionfish.
Look one here.
Oh, yeah.
It's a
Yeah.
lionfish
So
there.
you're afraid it pick you out, it prick you out the
Baby lionfish there.
baby lionfish. Them enough for pork more.
Them big and pretty.
Them say them are fleshy, you know.
Yeah. Yeah.
Lionfish. But you have to know how to clean
Them
it.
not use
So
them.
this cooker. Cooker on the face is so mean.
Let me see if something else.
Yeah. Alright.
Yes, smells not something.
Tell more.
You see how these people do it? Yallahs St. Thomas.
Wow.
Oh, lobster. Lobster lick you now. Mad thing.
Eh?
She have all of the niceness.
When you don't get in lobster, let me know and then roasting go one side, go eat them. I got too much, man.
Maybe have a piece.
Oi,
I mean.
one piece Renard.
Proper. Nice.
I can get one little sauce because of boom.
Yeah.
Even onion and something, a skillet and something.
Last time, what
Ready.
All the pepper.
Proper man.
Pepper with the seawater, with the lime and
Alright.
some seawater.
All fish you get. How much you pay for the fish? How much you pay for the fish?
$500 per pound.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, them nice down there, man. Yeah.
Mommy,
Yeah, so
mommy.
we just completed with a little expedition, you know? Yallahs St. Thomas. Thanks for joining us. See you again soon for another vlog. Remember to hit the subscribe button, you know, hit the like button as well, the thumbs up.
Yeah. And the notification button.
Alright, so see y'all. Peace out.
Bye.